In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Bullx Neo private key. The first thing we need to do is we need to go to the left menu and scroll down until you see the wallet icon that does say Wallet Manager. Once you're over here, you want to go to the top right and then go ahead and select on Solana. Then you want to go over here to where it says Solana Wallet. Press on this button that says New and then go ahead and select on Wallet. Then it is going to create a brand new wallet for you right over here. And basically all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on this button that says one private key. And basically over here, it is going to give you a list of all of the private keys that you currently do have on Bullx Neo. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and just copy this down right over here because this is going to be your private key. Make sure you go ahead and write it down in a safe place. Do not share to anyone under any circumstances. I highly suggest writing it down on a piece of paper as well and keeping it somewhere safe on your device. Okay, but all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say copy private keys, then go ahead and press on next. Then it will say final chance to save your private keys. So just make sure that you have saved them and make sure that you're going to put them in a safe place. All right, so go ahead and just press on I have saved them just like so. And then there you go. It will say wallet download acknowledge. Now, if you want to go ahead and make that wallet your new primary wallet, then what you need to do is you need to press on these three buttons, then go ahead and press on make primary. And essentially it is now going to begin transferring all the funds from your previous primary wallet to the new wallet. So then the new wallet that you did make is going to have all of your new funds. And obviously what you guys also need to do is you need to import this wallet or private key to Phantom Wallet. So you guys could do that via the Phantom browser extension or the Phantom app. For this video, I'm just going to be using the browser extension. So I'm going to quickly log in. Okay, once we're over here, all you want to do is you want to press on the profile picture like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on add/connect wallet. Then go ahead and select on import private key, and then go ahead and select on Solana, and then go ahead and paste in the private key that you did just get. And then you want to go ahead and give the wallet a name as well. And from here, you guys are able to go ahead and manage transactions, and obviously you're able to add funds to your Bullx Neo wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.